following it, took a little spin through the lanes. Oh, that's a lovely ball. Great movement. Super first catch! Oh, just wide then. What a goal from Joe Moguena. The man from Bethlehem, spotting the man from Shotwell. What a lovely piece of movement. He acknowledges the pass there. His first touch left it wrong. Defense may be putting enough pressure for him to put it wide then. Best opportunity of the match so far. Falling for a man looking for his first. Of course, in international colors in Moguena. Taken out in as well.
Football race. We're going to get 5 goals. Never scoring 5 goals. Really, you're going to forget Chogan. Down. Goal kick. This is how we're beginning. So, we're going to forget Pambi. Una 15 goals. You're going to get Bafana. 49 games in time. Una 15 goals.
Takes something special to get it past Roland Williams. Struck well, but it goes wide. The keeper, CJ Evans. They hit it well, though. They did. If you look at the intention as well, Kelly Alberti bypassed the wall, not getting enough to trouble. Trying to trouble Muirani. Still TC with everything that's been thrown at him, his defense. I've done a decent job thus far. This referee, Mr. Mohammed Diranegedi, this one's a little bit of fun. So it's still seconds. Now it is. Pesita goes to the back post. It's going to head off from Spacey. Clear off the line. Well defended there by Lesotho. Got up while there to Temposnati. Spacey! And again another chance. And straight at the keeper for gain. Third time. He's managed to. But it's the second one. One to it. Well, I'm happy that he did something. But you look at the number of players that it bases. I mean, you look at all the near posts. And it had to get through to him. Not the best technique. Had to respond. The reaction had to be.
Fawaza Bazadin. Arbore Fawaza. Eba Mutili Line. Then we target Kuchanyari. Casey. Line. Oh! Fawadra Jana. Fawasa Tolewe. It's about the ring. Arbore Moka. Mona Waka kwa Belgium. Aimelela kwa Pankenga. Kaisikanitse Leader Express.
Oh, that's beautifully tied. He's eliminated 2 and still pushing on now. Can Salem to finish it off? Over there! He gets his first for South Africa. It's been a long time coming. His opener at international level. And the star, the newly born star of South African football, celebrates yet another big moment on a huge stage. Chances throughout this match. Themselves scoring in cup finals in the Champions League away in Egypt against Al Ahly. Great place, right time here. Lovely work by Moguena. Superb work with the assistant for Moguena. In the end, he's taken on that entire defense, including the pass, eliminating the rest of them. And Amopigang needed to just keep his composure, which he did quite beautifully, as is done time and time again. Don't forget. So therefore, the strike 2-0.
Man,
They're opening now. The
Eh?
floodgates. Another debutant goal scorer, Adams.
I'm so pissed for my food. I tell you, so.
Lesotho held on for as long as they could.
Now,
It was a matter of time, and once the first game, one got the feeling South Africa would put foot and pull away. Jaden Adams in his first start.
okay.
Finds the back of the net here, beautifully done by the combination of Tau and Mufugeng on that far side. Tau's cutback was under money. Ngezana still kept it alive. Here, Astrid Mufugeng gets the assist.